Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel English Abhi Yadav. If you are afraid to speak English, if you feel shy, if you think English is difficult, then this channel is for you. In this video, I will teach you 15 very common English idioms. People use these idioms in daily life, in office, with friends, and in interviews. This video is different because no boring grammar, no long rules. Only 5 minutes daily learning. Simple English, real-life examples. Easy to remember. Let's start learning English in a fun way. Idiom 1. Burn the midnight oil. Meaning, to work or study late at night. Where to use, study, exams, work pressure. Example 1. Before exams. I burn the midnight oil every night. Example 2. She burned the midnight oil to finish her office project. Idiom 2. Wake-up call. Meaning, something that makes you realize the truth. Where to use, failure. Life lesson. Example 1. Failing the test was a wake-up call for me. Example 2. His bad health became a wake-up call. Idiom 3. Break the ice. Meaning, start talking to remove silence or fear. Where to use, new people meetings. Example 1. He told a joke to break the ice. Example 2. I smiled and broke the ice in the class. Idiom 4. A piece of cake, meaning very easy. Where to use, easy work. Example 1. This English lesson is a piece of cake. Example 2. For him, math is a piece of cake. Idiom 5. Under the weather, meaning feeling sick. Where to use, health. Example 1. I am under the weather today. Example 2. She skipped work because she was under the weather. Idiom 6. Once in a blue moon, meaning very rarely. Where to use, rare actions. Example 1. I eat fast food once in a blue moon. Example 2. He visits home once in a blue moon. Idiom 7. Spill the beans. Meaning reveal a secret. Where to use, secrets. Surprises. Example 1. Don't spill the beans about the party. Example 2. He spilled the beans by mistake. Idiom 8. On cloud 9. Meaning very happy. Where to use, success. Happiness. Example 1. I was on cloud 9 after getting the job. Example 2. She is on cloud 9 today. Idiom 9. In hot water, meaning in trouble. Where to use, mistakes. Example 1. He is in hot water with his boss. Example 2. I got in hot water for being late. Idiom 10. Call it a day. Meaning, stop working. Where to use, end of work. Example 1. I'm tired. Let's call it a day. Example 2. We finished the work and called it a day. Idiom 11. Back to square one. Meaning, start again. Where to use, failure. Example 1. The plan failed. We are back to square one. Example 2. I forgot everything and went back to square one. So friends, this was today's 11 English idioms. If this video helped you even a little, please like the video. Subscribe to my channel English Abhi Yadav. And comment below, which idiom did you like the most? Remember, if you give 5 minutes daily, English will become easy for you. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep speaking English.